Yo, what is going on, people? Welcome back to another here on the channel. And for today's video, we are back with another stock talk video. And for today's stock, we're talking about stock ticker symbol WORK, Select Technologies. This stock has definitely been talked about in the news more recently, and I have been watching this stock for the past couple months now, and I love the setup that we're getting right now for day traders, for swing traders, and even for long-term investors. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content, and let's jump into this stock talk. Okay, so let's jump into this stock. Before we get started, just look at my right side of my screen. Yes, I am into the stock. Left side of the screen shows it's a simulated trading. It's a paper trading account. I'm not actually into the stock for real with 500 shares, but this is definitely a stock that I am considering getting into. But I would just like to jump in and just see if I actually found a bottom of it right now. I think it still has more downward potential, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But yes, I'm in 500 shares at exactly $31. So let's look at this stock on the charts here, okay? We can see that this stock in general is just a choppy stock, okay? And even if we pull back here to the 20-day, 1-hour chart, you can see that this stock is just, it's choppiness. It creates overreactions and creates higher highs off of those overreactions. Now, let's go back to the 180-day chart because you can definitely see the train. Oh, here we go. Chew, 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 chew. All the way up. This stock is definitely overreaction plays. Boom. Overreaction, correction. Boom. Overreaction, correction. Boom. You get the point of it, okay? I'm not going to annoy you with this overreaction. But something I do like about this stock is the price mark we're at right now, $31, and that's why I got into this stock, because this could be the bottom. I still have a feeling we can get a little bit lower than that, okay? Because if we zoom in on here, we can see that this overall stock has a tendency to hover around this $30 mark. Look at that, $30, boom, rides up to $35, boom, $30, boom, rides up to $36, okay? So every single time, look at this, boom, $29, rode that up to $40, okay? So I was in a couple of these plays right here. I didn't get the best entry point and best exit point, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, gosh, look at this resistance point. $30 seems to be a great spot. Now here we are at $31. We hit lows of about $30.70 earlier on today, and now we're starting to come back from it. Now, do I think it's going to come back in full force tonight before market closes? No. It's approximately 3 o'clock on a Wednesday right now, and I don't know when you guys are going to watch this, but hopefully it's creating new lower lows, and hopefully you guys can get it at the right time, okay? So now let's zoom into the 1-day, 1-minute chart and see what we're actually dealing with. Boom. It completely dropped. Now, yes, it has to do with the tech stocks in general, but let's look into this more and read up on some news, okay? So let's look at some news here, okay? It seems that Slack is accusing Microsoft of illegal tying Teams to Office, okay? It's forcing installing it for millions, blocking its removal, and hiding the true cost to enterprise customers. This is big news, okay? They're basically threatening Microsoft, and that's what all the headlines are about, and that's what's causing this stock to go down. Yes, it also has to go down with the actual tech companies itself, because this is a big one where if tech stocks are down, this company goes down. It's a lot of fluctuation within the stock. Obviously, as you can see from the 180-day chart, even down when the beer bug hit, down to $15. Now we rode all the way up to $40, but we're kind of consolidating back now. But this consolidation point for the long term is actually nice for our short-term traders because of the fact we can play off these plays, okay? So like I said, if you want to get in now, take a little risk. Take a little portion in your portfolio. Put some shares into this stock now. You're at a good entry point, not a great. You're at a good entry point, okay? But I want to see the stock go even lower, okay? We're at $31 now. I think it could pull down almost back down to $30, and then from there we bounce off of it. So $31, add in some shares. $30.50, add in some more shares. Even if it drops to $30 or $29.50, okay, add in more shares. Just do little by little. I think that's the plan with this stock, okay? Add in little by little shares because it will drop back down, I have a feeling. I really don't see it coming off of this bounce here, especially with news like Microsoft. This could be one of the bigger drops, okay? Something like a company like Microsoft that they're attacking, that is going to cause a lot of publicity, a lot of hype, a lot of just news around this stock. So be careful on your entry point, okay? I entered this at $31 with a paper trading account because I was like, well, what the heck? Maybe it'll bounce off of it. Well, I read into more news and saw that it was actually attacking Microsoft. It's going against and filing against Microsoft, okay? And this is big news because of the fact that Microsoft's such a big company and tech stocks right now aren't doing the best. So this is a good stock to be on your watch list, okay? So definitely keep some alerts, keep some price point entry alerts, and following what it does over the next couple days. If it can get down below $30, I wouldn't be surprised with news like this, with how the market's been going, it could get down to that price point. But we want to jump in at a good opportunity point. And I think right now at $31 and below is a good price point to get some shares in. Don't go and throw all your life savings into this stock, okay? Again, I am looking at the short term, the trading side of this, the swing trading side of this, okay? So, in conclusion, before I wrap this up, I just want to let you guys know that this stock is for swing traders only in this video of what I mentioned, okay? You can definitely long-term trade this thing. I bet you it's going to be a great long-term trade, but for right now, we're watching the swing trade, we're watching the day trade, and we're watching for this thing to hit its rock bottom before we jump into it. So definitely add shares along, add at 31, add at 30.50, add at $30, keep adding as it goes down, and then you'll have a great average price for it to bounce off of. Anyway, hopefully you guys learned something on this video. Definitely put this in your watch list because I'm going to be watching it over the next couple days. Leave a like on this video and subscribe for more content. Again, thank you guys so much for all the support on the videos. Thank you for all the new subscribers and new likes. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.